Eli.
Hi kids! I think we want tea. Yes? You want tea, yes? Oh, we don't have kitchen. Oh, I have an idea. May I use your phone? Thank you, Eli. Well, hi. Yes, can you bring us a kitchen? Yes, today. Thank you very much. We'll be waiting for you. Thank you. Bye. I think they have come. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, what's that? Wow, it's so cute. Let's take it, okay? Come on, let's take it. Come on. Oh, it's so heavy. Let's go. Open it. Great, let's open. It's a cake, it's a drawing board, you know? We can draw on it. You can draw the sun. Can you? Here, you see? This is sun. These are sun rays. So beautiful. Sun. Wow. Let's open them. Let's open. Our toys. Yes, kids. Will you help us? Let's open. Yes. Wow. So many things. Oh my God. That's tomato. So many cupcakes. That's an eggplant. Yes. Wow. That's a special spoon for tea. You see? We have to make a tea now. Eli, let's assemble it, okay? So many things. We need help. Let's call Nika, okay? Nika, how are you? We need help, Nika. Will you come to help us? Great! We will be waiting for you. Bye!
Hi, kids. Kids, I will help you.
Nika, how are you?
I will help you.
Great! Let's start! Nika will use his instruments to help us build the kitchen. Well, what's that? That is flashlight. Wow! Let's show to children. This is flashlight. Power drill. This is circular saw. Nika, you see? Wow, that's so cool. This is power grinder. Saber saw. Fix it, and I will help you with the flashlight. Now we can start to build the kitchen, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. Hey kids, we have finished building our magic kitchen. Ellie and Niki helped us. And now I will show you why it's magical. Niki and Ellie, come on. Come on. Wow, Ellie, it's water here. Oh my god. Yeah. So real water. No. Ah. Hey kids, we have prepared tea and very delicious things for our toys. Teddy bear and beautiful Ellie's toy. Ellie, can you make tea for them? Yes, now she can.
Yummy. Yummy.
Hey kids, today we have built a great kitchen. It's magical and we have prepared tasty tea for our doll, beautiful doll and teddy bear. So subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because we will have a lot of more funny videos for you. Bye bye. It was Ellie and Niki and me, Sally. Bye bye and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.